First off, let's answer the burning question. How long do brake pads last? The answer is, it depends. In today's video, we're going to talk about a crucial component of your car's braking system, brake pads. Specifically, we'll cover how long brake pads typically last, what factors affect their lifespan, and most importantly, how to tell if your brake pads need replacing. So if you're a car owner, this video is for you. Let's get started. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, as the lifespan of brake pads varies depending on several factors. These factors include your driving style, the type of brake pads you have, the terrain you're driving on, and even the weather conditions. Generally speaking, brake pads can last anywhere from 25,000 to 70,000 miles, or about 40,000 to 113,000 kilometers. However, some brake pads can wear out much sooner, especially if you drive aggressively, do a lot of city driving, or often tow heavy loads. Now, how can you tell if your brake pads are due for replacement? Well, there are a few signs to watch out for. One of the most obvious signs is squeaking or squealing sounds coming from your brakes. This is caused by a wear indicator that's built into your brake pads, which makes noise when the pads are worn down to a certain level. So if you hear any unusual noises when you brake, it's time to have your brake pads inspected. Another sign that your brake pads may be worn is reduced stopping power. If you notice that your car takes longer to stop, or that the brakes feel less responsive than usual, it could be a sign that your brake pads are getting thin. Finally, you can inspect your brake pads visually to see if they need replacing. Simply look through the spokes of your wheel and check the thickness of the brake pad. If it's less than 1/4 of an inch thick or about 6 millimeters, it's time to have them replaced. So there you have it, folks. Brake pads are a critical part of your car's braking system, and it's important to know when they need replacing. Remember to listen for unusual noises. Watch out for reduced stopping power, and inspect your brake pads regularly. By doing so, you can ensure your brakes are in top condition and keep you safe on the road. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.